Your Holiness, today, the 10th of December, you shall be awarded the Nobel Peace Prize. And I think it is a matter of significance that this day also is the birthday of the United Nations Declaration of Human Rights. Could anything be more appropriate than to celebrate this day by giving the Peace Prize to you, to a man now recognized all over the world as one of the most prominent spokesmen for the human rights as the very foundation for a true, just, and lasting peace. And accordingly, I now call upon Your Holiness, the 14th Dalai Lama. Will you please enter the podium and receive the Nobel Peace Prize for 1989 with a gold medal and the diploma.
관계 도저히 손에 따담제 방배제 담배신의 전제배 과담자가 차선로 Your Majesty, members of the Nobel Committee, brothers and sisters, I am very happy to be here with you today to receive the Nobel Prize for Peace. I feel great honored, humbled, and deeply moved that you should give this important prize to a simple Buddhist monk of Tibet. I am no one special, but I believe the prize is a recognition of the true value of altruism, love, compassion, and non-violence, which I try to practice in accordance with the teachings of the Buddha and the great sages of India and Tibet. I accept the prize with profound gratitude on behalf of the oppressed everywhere and for all those who struggle for freedom and work for world peace. I accept it as a tribute to the man who founded the modern tradition of non-violent action for change, Mahatma Gandhi, whose life taught and inspired me. And of course, I accept it on behalf of the 6 million Tibetan people, my brave countrymen and women inside Tibet, who have suffered and continue to suffer so much. They confront a calculated and systematic strategy aimed at the destruction of their national and cultural identities. The prize reaffirms our conviction that with truth, courage, and determinations as our weapons, Tibet will be liberated.